everyone, I'm Sean Cheek and welcome to Easy Piano Lessons. Check out the website, it's www.webpianoteacher.com. If you'd like to email me, you can do so at easypianolessons@yahoo.com. Let's start with the left hand here. And what I've done is there's no piano part in the arrangement. So what we have to do is combine all the instruments and try to make it sound satisfying on the piano. So what I did on the right hand is I took the chord and I just have that going because you have the drums in the recording and we have to do something to simulate that rhythm. So I just took the chord and repeated it over and over in 6/8 time. And of course we hear the bass, bum 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 bum. That's a no-brainer. So this is sort of a transcription, but I think it works for piano the way I did it. So let's start with left hand, with the bass part. And there's not too much to this, just 3 chords. Let's get going. There's a lot to do. We have C sharp octave on the left hand. And if you can't do the octave, just do the single note. But I think it sounds even better if you can do a full octave. So C sharp octave on the bass. Here's middle C, so we're right here. And then down to a B. And then down to a low E octave. Down here, pinky's on an E. And then play that E octave again. And then go back up to the C sharp and the B. Okay, so for the beginning for the left hand we have bum 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 bum. Now what I have here is 4 plus 4. And that's pertaining to this box. So we play these 2 notes to start with, these 2 octaves. And then we're going to do it, this box, 4 times for the intro. And then we're going to do it 4 more times when the singing starts. Okay, so you might want to sing along with it to, might be more satisfying that way for you. But 4 times for the intro, 4 times when the singing starts. So we have bum bum. And let me show you the right hand over here. We have G sharp, above middle C, and a B, and an E. Now I put it up here. You can play it down here if you want to. I think it sounds better up an octave. Okay, so, and we have 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we have the same chord 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. And then we have it just 2 times. 1, 2. Alright? So putting this first part together, we have left hand, bum, bum. And then we have this, 1, 2, 3. And then do this part, 1, 2, 3. Now here we have 2 left hand octaves. And on the first chord we'll play the C sharp, and on the second chord we'll play the B. Bum, bum. Like that. So you play this chord 2 times with the left hand on each one. So when you first start it, you have bum, bum. And then here we go for this box. Once. Here's the second time. Third time. Fourth time. And then you got 4 more times to do it when the singing starts. Okay, so you go do that box 4 more times, and then we change the chord. And we change it to A, C sharp, E 3 times. 3 more times, and then 2 times. Left hand is now on an A octave, another A octave, and then up to F sharp octave, then down to E. Now this box happens 2 times. Okay? But on the second time you do this box, we're going to do C sharp B octave. See that parenthesis? Instead of the F sharp E. So when you get to this box you go. Second time on this box. See how the second time I did the C sharp B? Okay, then it says box 1 2 times. So go back to box 1 2 times. Leave this out. This is only at the very beginning. So 2 times on this box. Then we have a B chord here. So B, D sharp, F sharp on the right hand. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. Left hand has B octave, another B octave. Up to F sharp octave. Let's go ahead and do the next part. B, D sharp, F sharp. B, D sharp, F sharp, and right hand continues in the same pattern. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2. So these 2 boxes together go. Continuing, we have we go back to the first chord, G sharp, B, E. 3 times, 3 times, 2 times. Left hand's on the low E octave. And then up to a B, and then the same B octave, back down to E, and then G sharp, and then B octave. So these two boxes together are, oh sorry, let's do that again. And it says boxes 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these two boxes again for this part. Boxes 3 and 4. And then it says box 1 2 times. Box 1 2 times. Okay, then that's one time through. Now I have the repeat sign. Means you go all the way back, start all the way over. The only difference is you don't have the intro. So it's not 4 times plus 4 times. You just do the 4 times where the singing starts. So it's just 4 on this repeat. So we go back. We don't do this. That was only the very first time. So here we go. We go through it again. So here is the second time through. Here we go. Right here. Second time. Third time. Fourth time. This box 2 times. Notice the second time I did the C sharp B there instead of the F sharp B. Now it says box 1 2 times. So continuing on, those 2 boxes. Continuing on. Boxes 3 and 4. Box 3 and 4. Box 1 2 times. So down here. Now we get to the bridge. The bridge starts here after the double bar. And this is what we do. A, C sharp, E, 3 times, 3 times, 2 times. Left hand is on A octave. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It says 2 times. So let's do this box again for the second time. 1, 2, 3. And the second time, let's do a low C sharp instead of the A there. So here's the second time. And I went to a low C sharp there. See, way down here. And then we go back to the G sharp B, E, 3, 3, 2. Left hand stays on an E octave. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. In this box, E, G sharp B in left hand. Right hand's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, ran out of room, but I wanted to finish this song on this board, so let's do it. Now, see what I have in green here? This will finish up what we need to do. Boxes 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, go back to box 3 and box 4. Do these 2. Boxes 5 and 6. And then it says box 7, 8, 9. So we go back to here and do boxes 7, 8, 9 right up here at the top. I did that 2 times. Second time do the C sharp. Box 8. Okay? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, okay, after box 7, 8, 9, then we're going to do this thing, the E, the part that goes, and then that finishes up the song. So E octaves on every left hand octaves, right hand single note. E, B, C sharp, B, E, E, B, C sharp, B, E. Bum, 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 bum. Okay? And that finishes the song. It repeats back to the beginning and does the verse again and then finally fades out. So I hope you enjoy it.